Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great and taking good care of yourselves. So friends, today I'll be sharing all the things which I have done, and you must be wondering why I have put all this lemon rinds and I'm burning them, because this is very good for the insects and all not to be in the house, and it gives a positive energy because the lime is burning and it gives a very good smell in the house and it's so good. Just look at the beautiful sunset, it's so pretty. I want to buy something from Dollar Tree, so let's go to Dollar Tree and see what's the deal over there and what and all I can find over here. Dollar Tree, just look at it, it's only 5 o'clock and it is so dark already and it's looking so beautiful. Here are some Christmas trees, Christmas tree plates. The Christmassy stuff is here, red and green. Joy to the world, the Lord has come. These are very good holiday mugs for storage, for giving gifts and all. So beautiful. This is nice if you want to give some gifts to the children and all. These are nice. All this, it is party tote bags, so you can fill in some nice gifts, goodies and all. Just look at it, so Christmassy and colorful. Just look at all this chocolates and all, gummy blocks. But this is nice if you want to give some milk chocolate. Some dollar bills. Oh no, these are chocolates. I thought they were dollar bills. $1,000,000 bar. Nice. So this is just for hanging on the front doors. I really liked it. And if you're very creative, this is again very good. Just look at this. This is one jingle. These are nice necklaces. Beautiful. Oh, I love this. Just see how cute. I just wanted some hooks. I'm going to buy this hooks now. These are removable hooks. So I wanted one or two. So these are glitter stickers which you can really stick on any gift bag. These are the best things which you should always grab. These are the glitter stickers where you have all this Christmas trees and reindeers, snow, Christmas tree. It's nice. You have many options over here. There's a snowman over here. So many things are there if you are into DIYs. Here are again some small toys and all where you can give to your babies and all, give to the neighbors. It's really nice. All small things you can just gift. Here there are novelty balls, soft toys again, some cars for the boys, different types of collection of cars. This is really cool. Again there are some wooden blocks and all where you can just decorate with all this and do some crafts at home with the kiddos. This is nice. You can just put a picture over here. It's really nice. And if somebody likes to knit, there are different types of wools over here, different yarns, different colors. So over here you have incense sticks also. You have colorful candles. So I'll be buying this. I think I'll grab this also. Over here they have Lindor chocolates also. Over here they have Almond Joy. This is a good deal too. Just look at this truffles. So there is good amount to eat also. You get very good stuff. drying mat also, so I'm going to buy this. So I bought blue and red now. So I want to buy this parchment paper also. It's good for baking and making some cookies. So I came to buy some aluminium foil. So I'm just thinking which is having the most square feet. So I think this has the 41. I'll buy that one also. It says it's 27 square feet and their aluminium foil, it's heavy duty. I think I'll buy one of these also. I wanted one snack ziploc also. So they say that it is 38. I think I'll take this, and I wanted sandwich, so I'll buy this also. So this I just saw, and these are good mittens and good hand muff. You can just give it for gifting also during Christmas time. It's all Christmassy. Really like this if you are into anything to give in to any neighbor. I just got this aluminium foil, some zipper bags. I bought 3 packs. And these are again zipper bags. Again I bought aluminium foil. I bought this parchment paper for baking some cookies for Christmas. Here I bought the drying mat. And again I bought some foil. Bought some ziplocs again for the snack. I bought some incense sticks. These are very good and they smell good when you do some cooking and all. I bought some red candles. I bought some command hooks. Again I bought some green candles, command hooks, and this is it. I bought from Dollar Tree and I spent only $20 for 20 things. This was it for today, and I hope you all like this, whatever I shared today with you, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Till then, take care and follow me on Insta, TikTok and Facebook. You'll find good things over there, and if you have liked my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching.